episode.
Seaweed.
And today's video, we are going to make a crystal blue. So, I don't have a glass because I make a lot of drink already. You gonna need this? Ah, yeah, I'm gonna shake. So, it's gonna be there. As usual, we need ice. That's the fun. 1 ounce of blue curacao. It's obvious that we use this often because we don't have a lot. So you know already, guys, which drink we use too often. The Grey Goose Poire La Poire. You know what is poire? It's a pear.
You have to picture the other side.
The pear.
Pear what the?
Pear vodka. So it's a Grey Goose Poire. It's a French word. Poire is the French word of pear. Just 1 ounce. Smell good. I like the smell. It looks like it's a little bit of the smell is a little bit of like a you know when you put a nail polish. a little. Yeah, it smells like a nail polish.
Oh.
Yeah. It really smells like nail polish. Yeah, I'm not lying, guys. It's really true. And the white cranberry juice. Just have to put like a 6 ounce. Finish just like that. Just an estimate what I do. But it looks like a 6 ounce. Something like that. Then we are going to shake. And we're going to put a little drop of lime. Just it's not a little. It's a little more. And then shake. I know where I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put this in like that. Ah, it's cold. Okay, finish. And the ice. We have ice in I don't have enough of ice. I have to use it all. See you. Ice. Wow, that's what we call crystal clear. Next we are going to finish this with a Sprite. It's a lemon lime soda or soda citron lime. Lime. I don't know what is the. How do you pronounce lime in French? Lime?
Live.
It's broke your nail, you can use this one. Just to make it up. And slowly, because it's gonna it's gonna there. With a colorful method. Voila! The crystal blue. Don't forget guys that you can try it. So it's testing time. I'm gonna try what I made. Start not to be drunk, I think. I already made like 3 videos guys. So you gotta know why I'm like that. I like it. I think my tolerance on alcohol become because before when I drink alcohol I really don't like it. I really don't like it. But lately, oh, I like it now. It's yummy.
It's your favorite? This one?
I really like it. And this is my favorite. I tried it once when my husband made it for me.